Have you ever considered how podcasts can offer valuable insights? Today, we dive into this intriguing topic. Consider this. In an age where information is at our fingertips, podcasts have emerged as one of the most convenient and engaging ways to learn. They cover an extensive range of subjects, from history and science to personal development and finances. Podcasts have the power to take us on a journey of discovery without demanding our undivided attention. However, not everyone agrees. Some argue that podcasts, while entertaining, lack the depth and rigor of traditional learning resources. They might be seen as a form of infotainment, where the lines between education and entertainment blur. But can't learning be fun? A counterpoint to this argument is that the casual nature of podcasts can actually enhance learning. The conversational tone and storytelling format can make complex topics more digestible and relatable. Think about your favorite podcast episode. It might have introduced you to an idea that you had never considered before, or perhaps it challenged your existing beliefs. This is the power of podcasts. They provoke thought and stimulate intellectual curiosity. But what about the reliability of information? Critics point out that anyone can start a podcast, which can lead to the spread of misinformation. This is a valid concern. However, many podcast hosts are experts in their field or invite guest speakers who provide informed perspectives. It's about choosing to listen to credible sources. And let's not forget the value of personal stories shared in podcasts. They offer a wealth of experiential knowledge that you won't find in a textbook. Moving on to an aspect that is often overlooked, the accessibility of podcasts. They can be enjoyed while commuting, working out, or doing household chores. This flexibility makes learning more inclusive and convenient. To wrap up, the debate on the educational value of podcasts is multifaceted. They can provide valuable insights, provoke thought, and make learning enjoyable. However, it's crucial to be discerning about the sources of information and to supplement podcast learning with other resources. So, the next time you tune into your favorite podcast, remember the potential it holds, not just as a source of entertainment, but as a tool for learning and broadening your horizons.